Hola, bienvenidos a Día Dos sin Señor Sartin. Welcome to day 2 without Señor Sartin. Wait a minute, I am here. This is confusing. Estoy confundido. Anyways, alright, today's plan is we're going to be looking at seasons, okay? So the vocabulary, very simple, and you already have it in your flip book. 4 words. We have first, el invierno. Which one is el invierno? If you guess winter, you got it. Second, la primavera. La primavera. Spring, yeah, you got it. How about el verano? Es mi favorito. Summer, that's correct. Y finalmente, el otoño. Last but not least has to be autumn or fall, right? Muy bien. All right, that vocabulary you already have in your flip book. And if you open up the PowerPoint in Schoology, you will see it says Spanish days, months, seasons, date unit. Okay? I'm opening it up myself, starting it in slideshow mode. And the first question says, ¿Qué estación es? And it gives a word or a month, enero. So, what do you think enero is? January. So, what season is it in January? El invierno. That is correct, winter. Second question, ¿Qué estación es? Abril. Abril. You think that's April, that's correct. And the season, la primavera. La primavera. ¿Qué estación es julio? Julio. Julio is July. And yes, if you chose el verano, that is correct. El verano, you know what it makes me? You know how I feel when I hear el verano? Estoy emocionado. Oh, I love verano. Oh, don't shut up on me. All right, here we go. A lot of stuff here. All right, next one. ¿Qué estación es? Noviembre. What is noviembre? Kind of like septiembre, un poco como octubre. Noviembre, November. So what season? El otoño, that's correct. All right, ¿qué estación en mayo? April showers, brings Mayo flowers. Oh, Mayo, perdón, is May. And la primavera, la primavera. ¿En qué estación es febrero? Febrero, February, still invierno. I feel like we can go marzo, abril, mayo, un poco de junio, invierno. But we're talking about in generic situation, not upstate Rochester. All right, ¿en qué estación es octubre? Es el otoño. Y el próximo, the next one, ¿qué estación es agosto? El verano. And that's it. So just know the months, when the seasons are, and the rest is fácil. All right, so if you can take out your paper, okay, to actividad uno. In actividad uno we have, write what season each month falls into. Follow the model. Marzo, primavera, okay? And I know these seasons change in the middle of the month, so let's say we're splitting up, there's 12 months, 4 seasons, 12 divided by 4 equals 3, so let's have each season be 3 months long, okay? So if I look at number 1, Julio, for me, Junio, Julio, Agosto is el verano. Those are all summertime, okay? From there, you can work the rest out. All right, actividad dos. Write what season comes after the one that's listed. So we have el invierno, that is winter. What comes after winter? get the hint of spring with a little flower, some flores. And so spring, what would spring be? En español. La primavera, that is correct. All right. So that is activity 2. And then lastly on this packet, or this paper, we have activity 3. It says, let's practice again with the date. Write what today is each of the following days. Follow the model. So now this model, it has marzo up top, and then it has the days of the week, lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, domingo. And then it has a number underneath one of those days of the week. In this case, in the model, it has an 18 underneath miércoles. So it's saying that today is miércoles, which is Wednesday, the 18th of March. So I want to say today is Wednesday, the 18th of March. And so if you remember from yesterday, hoy es miércoles, el 18 de marzo. And that would be your sentence you'd write on the line. So for number 1, we have enero is the month, Saturday is the day, sábado, and 31 or 31 is the number. So I want to say today is Saturday, the 31st of January. So hoy es sábado, el 31 de enero. Muy bien. Now there are 6 others that you have to do. Buena suerte. After you've completed this paper, then it is your task to go into Schoology, to click the Zish link, and the Zish that you will be looking for today is called Meses y Días. And once you complete that Zish link, you will have a little exit ticket here. There are 6 questions. It says, write what season each month falls into. Write what season each month falls into. So number 1 is Mayo. What season is Mayo? Primavera. There you go. Now, I noticed my beautiful YouTube video has ended, unfortunately. So now I have a bunch of weird boxes behind me. Oh well. We'll make sure the video lasts for tomorrow. Alright, if you guys have any questions, you can ask your substitute. Also, you can message me on Schoology, and I will try my best to answer. I hope you have a lovely day, y nos vemos lunes.